As excited as the Toronto Blue Jays were to finally play a game at home after starting the season with a 10-game road trip, there was a group of almost 100 students that took over a section here at the Rogers Centre that had an experience of a lifetime. When you found out you were coming to the Blue Jays home opener, what was your reaction?
First talk, I guess.
Henny Miranda, 12 teachers and 83 other students from Aruba made the more than 5-hour flight to Toronto to catch the Jays home opener on Monday night.
It's very exciting for us to be here, also to see this game, because most of them haven't experienced this before.
The students aged 16 to 20 took over a section of the Rogers Centre and took in every moment of the game. It wasn't just the students' first time catching a Major League Baseball game in person, but also many of the teachers.
I'm very excited to be here because normally you see it on television, but to experience it in live is another completely other different, because right now you gotta see the players, you gotta see what's going on the field.